Chapter 2: Types of Software. Lesson objective: define the term software, explain the types of software and their purpose with examples, differentiate between system software and application software, backup files, scan the system or drive or file, use defragmentation utility software. A computer is a machine that cannot work on its own. It works on our instructions. We make a computer work by giving a set of instructions called a program. A program tells the computer to accept input, perform processing on the input, and produce output. A collection of such programs is called software. BIOS or BIOS. The moment we power on the desktop, a software called Basic Input Output System (BIOS) starts or boots the computer. This software resides on a small chip called ROM, read-only memory or flash memory. The ROM is part of the motherboard. Facts.com. Basic Input Output System or BIOS is the first software that runs on a computer when power is switched on. BIOS checks whether all the hardware units are working. When we switch on a system, we see many messages informing that a particular hardware is working fine. These messages are received from BIOS. If hardware is not working, for example, if a hard disk is not working, then the BIOS gives a corresponding error message. The most important role of BIOS is to load the operating system, OS. When we turn on our computer, the CPU needs instructions to locate the operating system in the hard disk. The BIOS provides these instructions. Facts.com. BIOS gives control of the computer to the OS. This process is known as booting. Operating system OS or system software. After the operating system takes over, we can start using the computer. Opening system enables us to use a Word document, print an email, and use the internet browser all at the same time. Operating system controls and manages all the activities of a computer. The operating system is responsible for managing the computer's hardware and software resources. It controls the memory needed for computer processes, manages disk space, controls peripheral devices, and manages user communication with the computer. There are many operating systems available. Example: Linux, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Debian, Windows, Vista, XP, Windows 7, Windows 10, and Mac OS. Facts.com. The difference between BIOS and operating system OS is that the BIOS has very limited instructions. At the end of the booting process, BIOS transfers the control to OS. Linux. Linux is a multitasking, multi-user operating system that is known for its stability. Linux is a Unix-based operating system that is available for free on the World Wide Web. Windows. It was created by Microsoft in the mid of 1980s. It comes preloaded on most of the new PCs. It is the most popular operating system in the world. Mac. It is also a very powerful operating system created by Apple Inc. Facts.com. Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows which was released in 2015. Application software. We require application software to do any specific task on the computer. Scratch, word processor, email application, and games are examples of application software. We can also install new application software as and when required. Following are some other application software: MS Paint, Windows Media Player, MS Word. Application software can be broadly classified into two types: generalized software packages, customized software packages. Generalized softwares. These are user-friendly software written to cater general needs such as preparing documents, drawing picture, database to manage data or information, preparing presentations, playing games, etc. for the users. Some of the generalized packages are listed below. Word processing software for preparing documents, WordPerfect, MS Word, OpenOffice Writer, etc. Spreadsheets, data analysis, Lotus Smart Suites, MS Excel, OpenOffice Calc, Apple Numbers, etc. Presentations, presentation graphics, MS PowerPoint, OpenOffice Impress, etc. Database management system, MS Access, OpenOffice, MS SQL Server, Oracle, etc. Graphic tools, Paint Shop Pro, Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, etc. Customized softwares. These are the applications that are customized or developed to meet the specific requirements of an organization or institution. Example, student information details, payroll packages, inventory control, etc. These packages are developed using high-level computer language. Fax.com. Any software, whether it is BIOS software or operating system or application software, consists of instructions written by programmers. Specific programming languages are used to build each software. Utility software. Although operating system provides all the features users need to use and maintain their system, inevitably, they still do not meet everyone's expectations. This has led to another type of system software called utilities. These are programs that bridge the gap between the functionality of an OS and the needs of users. Utility programs are a broad category of software such as compress, zip or uncompress, unzip files software, antivirus software, split and join file software, backup software, etc. Backup of files. Step 1. In the Start menu, scroll down to Windows System and click the arrow beside it. It will expand. Step 2. From this list, select Control Panel to open it. Step 3. Here, double-click Security to open its window. Step 4. In this window, select Backup and Restore Windows 7 option. Step 5. Click on Setup Backup to start backing up your files. Once Windows 10 sets up backup, a dialog box appears asking for the location of the backup. Fax.com. Backup means a duplicate copy of a file, program, folder or disk used if the original is damaged, corrupt or lost. Step 6. Select a drive on hard disk or an external storage device where you would like to store your backup and then click Next. Step 7. Select the option from this dialog box whether you want to choose the backup files yourself or let Windows do it for you. Now click Next. Step 8. Click Save Settings and run Backup to start your backup. Scanning of disk. ScanDisk is one of the most common maintenance tools bundled with an operating system such as Windows. This is an application that checks the computer's hard drive for errors and bad sector. Once ScanDisk finds an error in the hard drive, it will attempt to fix it. For scanning your drive, you can use CHKDSK, short for Check Disk, utility software in Windows 10. Some other tools in Windows. Once you open the Windows Administrative Tools list, you will find a list of tools to manage and monitor system. Some of these tools are Device Managers. It allows you to view devices connected to your computer, disables them and configures these drives. Disk Management. It is used to resize, create, delete and format partitions and volumes, as well as change their drive letters. Disk Cleanup. It scans and checks for temporary internet files, unnecessary system files, old system in your drives, and increases the system's efficiency. System configuration. It configures the start-up programs on Windows and also customizes the bootloader in case there are multiple OS in the system. Key points. Basic Input-Output System (BIOS) is the first software that runs on a computer when power is switched on. Linux is a multitasking, multi-user operating system that is known for its stability. BIOS gives control of the computer to the OS. This process is known as booting. ScanDisk is an application that checks the computer's hard drive for errors and bad sectors. Defragmentation is like a cleaning house for your computer.